Hello, we're Biscuiteers, the original hand-iced biscuit company. Each year we ice around 3 million biscuits by hand, and today we'll be showing you our exclusive birthday surprises collection. Our tin features all of our favourite birthday traditions as 8 hand-iced chocolate biscuits, over-the-top cakes, balloons, party hats and presents galore. Today we'll be showing you how to ice the classic party hat, a birthday cake and of course a wobbly jelly. Let's begin with our party hat. We need to ice the walls of the biscuit. Walls are what stop your flood icing from running off the biscuit and making a mess. As you can see here, our icers create these walls following the line of the shape that they need to make. We then take our flood icing, which is thinner than our line icing, and flood the inside of the biscuit. Whilst this is still wet, we can add decoration. After this is dried, we got back in with our line icing to create some details and really make the biscuit pop. Like so. We add the bobble on top and the base of the hat. To do this, we zigzag the piping bag across the base. We then begin with our birthday cake. As before, our icer adds the line icing before the flooding. Once the biscuit is flooded, you can dot around certain shapes to add to the background and detail in. We then go back and add all these little details, like the present on top of the cake and the lines around each tier. And finally, our jelly biscuit, the centrepiece of the table, complete with its very own candle. Once you've created your outline and flooded the wibbly wobbly jelly, let the biscuit dry, and this is when we add in all the detail. As you can see, we add in a few finishing touches just to take the jelly from 2D to 3D. And there we have it, our birthday surprises collection. Our collection is now available to buy online and in store. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Tag us in your creations using the handle @BiscuiteersLTD or use the hashtag #BiscuiteersMagic. Happy creating!